Hello everyone. So I am going to do one and only one reset video this year, and that is because I filmed all of the things early. So I'm only going to be releasing monthly plan with me's, but I thought it would be interesting because this is a whole new type of setup for me, and I thought that some folks would like to see kind of how I'm integrating into a B5 notebook where everything is in here, all that kind of stuff. So here is my calendar. I have a section for goals and a section for finances. If you haven't seen my video, I did film another video where I am doing a deeper dive into finances. So this is going to be just like in and out, really. It's not going to have all the breakdowns. I am going to do that in a separate notebook. So that is going to be done in my finance notebook. And I have a financial dashboard. And then I do have a weekly section for that. My weekly is not going to be like to-do list type of weekly though. So let's go ahead. Usually I reset December, but that's going to be a whole different video of like end of year thing. So let's just take a look at how I'm migrating into January. So let's go ahead and fill out my calendar. Okay, so that is all the like main events. There's more work stuff that needs to go in here, but I think this is fine for now just to get like kind of the main things in. My plan is the week of work, I will put in meetings and things like that. I did make my boxes a lot bigger so that I can put in work meetings, but my schedule changes so much that I kind of want to do it like Monday morning. I fill everything out. My goals are work out 25 days in January, do morning cardio 4 times per week, drink a full glass of water in the morning. I'm very bad at getting dehydrated by the afternoon, so drinking a full glass of water in the morning. I put social media free days. I didn't really put a time on this because it's going to be so new for me. And I do need to kind of figure out what I mean by social media free. Mostly I mean business social media. And also I don't want to doom scroll. And then I have morning or evening yoga. So first thing in the morning or right before I go to bed, I want to do a little bit of yoga because I need it. And then, like I said, I'm just going to do income out or in and out, basically, my basic snapshot of the month. So that's what I'm doing for finances. This is my exercise log. I'm going to put in the stats and the types of exercises here. There's nothing really for me to fill out here. This is as I go. Master tasks. Let me go ahead and migrate things over. Okay, so I filled out my work tasks. I filled out my home tasks. You know, when I did this, I was like, oh, well, I'm not going to be doing my business, but I am still doing a monthly, I am still doing a digital monthly subscription. It's only $5 and you can print out an entire bullet journal sticker kit, all that kind of stuff. So I only have work and home. And then I have work projects. I think I'll probably just add that to the project. Maybe in subsequent months, I only put projects because I realized that after a while that I want to do more than just work projects. This is like for me to detail out and put subsequent steps and to do things. For example, fireplace clean out. You know, sometimes I can clean it out myself, but sometimes I need to hire someone. So I need to call the company. I need to schedule when that's going to be. So there's like subsequent tasks to having the fireplace cleaned out. So I want to have that area for that. And of course, I don't have any monthly favorite yet because we're not even into January. Then we have my habits. So let me go ahead and fill this in. Okay, so there are all my habits. I have workout, AM cardio. Obviously, most of these are going to go towards my goals. That makes sense. So workout, AM cardio, yoga, AM water. Those are all things that I have over here, as well as no social media. Again, I'm going to have to like define that a little bit. I also have eating well, self-care, financials. I forgot the N. Don't worry about it. It's fine. And then I have family time because the whole point of me not doing social media is to be present with family, like present, you know, not just there, not just on my phone while my partner is also on his phone, actually spending some time with each other and doing things for each other and all that kind of stuff. So those are the habits. Now, reading. So for reading, what my plan is to basically put the photo similar to how I did in my reading journal. So on my book ratings where I have, and obviously I've not gone back in, I have the book cover on there. And then, that's what my plan is, to do the book cover, do the star rating, and then just do a little blurb. I don't typically read more than 2 or 3 books in a month. So I don't usually read more than 2 or 3 books in a month. So I think this is going to be perfect for me just to be able to play around in it. Then I have space. So as you can see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 pages ready for me. So in January, so my plan is to kind of go reel things in a little bit. So instead of doing a weekly layout here, I'll have like a snapshot of my week. So I have the day off on Monday. What are my work meetings? What are the like general events going on? And then just do daily lists. And then put in a whole bunch of washi tape, because the whole point of doing this really loud thing is to use a whole bunch of washi tape. So that is my plan. What I do want to do is kind of do a flip through of where I'm at in the month when my February gets released. So everything is filmed except for that. Obviously, I'm not in January at all. So in my February plan with me, I will do like a little flip through so that you can see how this is getting used. So that is my plan for that. So that is January. And let me go back into my 2024. So I have my future log. I have 24 in 2024. Again, I'm going to do another video on that. Because I kind of want to map that out a little bit more. I have home projects. Again, that's actually something my partner and I are planning to do this weekend, is have that conversation of like, okay, so what needs to get done? What is immediate? What needs to get done if we're going to sell the house? What needs to get done sooner rather than later? All that kind of stuff. So that is actually our weekend project. So obviously I don't have anything there. It is not the first, so I am not going to do body sets yet. I don't have any medical appointments. So I am going to fill these in with rainbows. So, I switched to pastel rainbows. for that. But this is very, well, there's pastel rainbows in here. I think that's fine. So let's look at it. All right, so purple is me, because purple's my favorite color. Blue is my partner. Pink is obviously Malia. Okay, so then from there, I think Harley can be yellow. And then Max and Mason, orange and green. Yeah, I think that's fine. So Mason can be orange. Where's the red? Huh. Max can be green. And Harley. Oh, I was using this as red, this as orange, and then this as yellow. Okay. That's fine. I'm remembering back now. All right. So there's that. So Harley and Malia, so pink and yellow, they have a groomer appointment on the 29th. So let's go ahead and fill that in. Let me use the blue that I used here. I've been loving these Energel Clenas pens. I love them. Okay, so 129.24, which is weird. I know this isn't technically medical, but honestly, the animals need grooming as if it's medical. So that's that. And then we have body stats. I don't want to show the next page. Okay. So I do have a table of contents here. It tells me what month is what color, but I don't want to ruin that. And then I did add a run log in here. Obviously, I can't fill that out because I have not run in 2024. It is not 2024. So those are all my 2024 pages. And then I do have one extra page in case I want to do anything with it. And then in the back here, I do have a page for my washi tape graveyard. I heard about that from Jess, although she said she heard about it somewhere else. And this is where I'm going to do like a monthly review of like journaling. So at the end of the month, I'll just journal how January went. Maybe put some pictures in if I think about it. So this will be a fun way to tie January back to January. So that's my plan for all of those pages. So that's what I've got for you. I hope that me doing this video, kind of breaking down how I'm going to use this notebook. It's pretty much the same as how I've used every other everyday notebook, except obviously there's more spreads in here. And when I get into February, I will go ahead and show how things are going so far. I don't want to put any work projects in right now. Like I literally just got an email the other day that was like, hey, there's this big thing that's probably going to happen. And so I need to be able to prioritize, and I can't prioritize until I know if that thing is happening. But I do have my master task over here. So I know that the big one is going to be these top 3, because all those have to do with enforcement work. So that's what I've got for you. I hope that you enjoy this video, and I think I only have a couple more videos where I'm talking to you all. So thank you so much. And I hope you all have a wonderful 2024. And I will be in sporadically with my videos. So thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.